This is the 1990 Mitsubishi Pajero Turbo Diesel. And this one's in really, really good shape, as it was owned by Northeast's own manager, the lovely Tyler. If only he kept up with his hygiene as well as he kept up with the upkeep of this Pajero. The Pajero is a full-size SUV produced by Mitsubishi for 40 years, from 1981 until it was discontinued in 2021. In North America, you might know the Pajero as the Montero. A friend in my high school actually had one of those. This Pajero is powered by an intercooled 4D56, which is a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. It produces a whopping 90 horsepower and 145 foot-pounds of torque. And it breathes through a full custom stainless steel exhaust that actually kind of sounds like a Cummins to me. Not like I like to give Tyler any sort of compliment ever, but it does sound pretty cool, not gonna lie. Sounds like a much bigger engine than an inline 4-cylinder. That power is sent to this 5-speed manual transmission, and then to either the rear wheels or all 4 wheels, because of course this is 4-wheel drive. And we even have some power amenities in here. We have power windows, power door locks, and this Pajero does have some tasteful mods done to it. It rolls on these gold method wheels, wrapped in BF Goodrich KM2 mud terrain tires. The Pajero's lifted on a 1.5-inch Ironman lift kit with heavy-duty torsion bars. And we've got a Rhino rack up top on the roof, should you decide you need more storage than what's already available, which is quite plentiful actually. And on the interior here, we've got a nice Boss touchscreen radio with Bluetooth. That's always a nice upgrade to have. And we've got these Innovate gauges that read out our boost pressure and our EGT to keep an eye on. And we've even got a third row. We have third row seating in here. This is technically a 7-passenger. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Happy motoring.